are those people where they talk say Bible na only Africa. Look at the Chinese people. These people that you are seeing here is Chinese people. Make una come see China. This is China. China is one of the big country where develop, where get money past African country. Tell me any African country where get money past China. China people, they borrow money, they carry money, they give some countries in Africa. Now look at them. Now Bible where they receive line, then carry Bible give them, then they cry tears of joy because they see Bible. This is China. They are crying because of they see Bible. They are very happy. They are very, very happy, overjoyed because of Bible. On a day here, they talk what you don't know. Bible na slave book. Bible na only Africa they read Bible. Bible na this. Bible na that. Christianity na this. Christianity is this. Every day, Christianity do this. Christianity do that. Oga, no blame church. Go blame your government. Go blame your government. All this money is where our leaders they borrow from China and other countries. I want to ask you whether in a church they borrow that money. I'm telling you that the church is not the problem of Africa. The problem of Africa is our leaders.